haka atare dia haka por kawe steng tu dia antu pada haka por san steng tu ngila ilu etopi ka PBKN ada cek PB dan antu nak cek ngila cek PBKN dia ni aben haden tu
kalau no
KBP kan normal no ya orang mulai program ini KBP kan normal tenang tu pada ni ni nang penbet kini kikot ke itu nomor ni hab arrange ada sing hani hapo ada berum tenang tu pada dah sa shipang untuk kakhan o aga jtia ta tenang pada ni nang tu pada ni la pe ni lara ikhlu ting bu hapo berbi bo ma ni la le ni la pen kun ni tenang tu pada ni yu je kapacentang ha ni la yu kapacentang sagak ni tenang kami pada untuk pada lanu like te kapacentang
kasakut
kasakut kapacentang nanu ro
te kuno iklung imi without the placenta normally kawan lang kawan lakum jon okay dan nanta dan tadi lapun ko layu kapacentang ta pada aku ila tang la don lang itu nanu ro tingim bansi bantu ko meskipun ang hap ko la 108 itu ya hap ko by that time te kala bleed don e Tiki kadaw ba kayam? Kilaban ay? Kadaw? Kilaban doon kidaw UAA? Kadaw ko ba ng kong daw ba ar ba lai? What could be the reason for her death?
Tinaduk ni kong ru kala dan he nama first child ru kada he complication nama ki ong gitu kiwe tu ba ong bawan kan ni kong. Papa ni second child ru kada abortion. Tinanti ko ni balai ru kayu.
Balai pada normal delivery.
Normal tang baniat ki kesat inla. Inla katu si tang pengini ra ini shift inla nama ni dan ni tang inla si inla ra. Nama di luas ngai inla ra bang ra inyo.
Kajing sumar kam dabiang ki kadaw ba ki keno ba kambiang kajing sumar. Yo nanda the hot ikinos ki doktor ki kempoi on time.
Em sang ni tinggal kum balik ki we ni le baru kum le ki we. Nanti bawa ngin le sinjang ni le yu handai buni tray yang pakai health tu kucing kiat ni le ki we.
Tik haba kumta la da lawan hadu hospital. Ki kadaw ba I kakmi ka kha I klung hajing thia. Klemira udwud sa uti bale.
Bakata kan sang ni dah yu dah ngila le thau ngila.
Em kan labor pain kala don nado ki sau benci.
Kadi kathat kala bidang ngila ban tiap. Mangim lah bentuk mau ketika fat kerabidang. Ingin nang arrange kita ni ni hab arrange. Hindi pengindon ngimyo, ngidon begini.
Ni dah arrange kita tu.
Kan normally kan labor pain kan no for him. Normally. Normally just tell me. This how is the baby?
The baby is fine.
Baby is fine?
Baby is fine.
Is a boy or girl?
It's a boy. 4.25 kg
Okay.
at the time of
Quite
birth.
heavy.
And the baby is crying immediately, and the baby was pink.
Baby is fine.
Baby is fine.
Okay.
As per.
Now see, this mother gave a normal birth. Am I right?
Yes,
It's a normal birth,
it's a normal.
not a cesarean.
No.
Okay. When the mother gave a normal birth, then what took you so long to do the necessity things? Is it true that the attending medical facilities were not available at the right time?
It's not, sir. But at the PHC level, we can compare with higher setups like.
No, my question is this: why did the woman deliver in her bed and not in your OT? I am told that repeated calls were made to come and see her when she already developed labor pain. When she started getting labor pain, then apparently the relatives attending to her had gone and called the nurse, had gone and called the doctor, and they said that the nurse and the doctor took long to come. In the process, the labor pain was so severe that this woman, she delivered the baby in her bed, not in your OT. Now give us that explanation. If you say you are on duty, why didn't you shift that woman immediately to the OT?
So at 5:30 we have checked, and when we check it, the OS was fully dilated, and I've advised to shift the patient to the OT. in the file also I have written, and while arranging, like OT is already arranged, but so some like sections, some ghost bees, we're trying to get it from the AC. They are outside the rooms. So at that time, in the meantime, the patient is already fully dilated, and like we don't, in fact, we don't know that what after full dilate, it might take 5 minutes, it might take 30 minutes. So at that time, the patients will deliver in the bed only. So, but we are here only.
We have got health workers on the ground. We have got health facilities provided by the government on the ground level. Now these health facilities and health workers have to be on the job.
Yes.
What are the Ashas doing? The Ashas should be going, monitoring every pregnant mother. The Ashas should be reporting to the medical officer that there is a patient here who requires this kind of attention. Now, if this has not happened, that means they have failed. Everybody has failed here. You cannot blame the patient. I don't want any patient to be blamed here. People who have failed are the people who are on the ground. The health workers have failed in their duties, I must say. Because, see, if a pregnant mother dies, who is so healthy, suddenly she comes to your hospital, she gives a normal birth, not even a cesarean, normal birth. And then due to the complications of the placenta, she dies. So, if you say that this patient already has a history, then what was the ASHA doing? What was the nurses doing? What was the periodical checkup doing? All that should have been checked. So who has failed here? It's not the patient. Therefore, we need to see the history, the records from the books of the ASHA. Whether ASHA has visited this woman or not regularly. What advice has the ASHA given to this? Whether the immunizations, whether the injections due for the mother periodically has been administered or not to this pregnant mother. That has to be seen. So now you have to inquire into it. I'm going to submit all this to the government, and all of you will have to be answerable to this, and you have to submit a report. I want a report how this woman died due to the complications here in this hospital.
Kum ka jimbu dia ni ka kubuar belapan mi dau silong mil ha ka south rig jelio ka baidai ba ka chingyap kolong kami hadien belakai kelung ibadan sau kilo ha ka cingkia ha po dangar PSC ka baha po Muslim constituency ka belapan ya de ka voluntary health association of Meghalaya Viham u nomi khmat ka yeng da tho ai na ka te constituency uba Himalaya mok dan sangpliang ha ka si bobot la lei ban jurib bat ban yip nya halo ka te ka cingja la ka long ka basisha ni em kumbala kuno kumju ru ban lit smulam ha ka te kolong yeng Habai keren berkilat saya kubor uba Himalaya ulapan tip bakani ke jingja kalaja nak daw ka jingtri terti ki doktor bat kinos keba penlong bakalong kami keba dang sait dang klan hakerta keba arpras nam ka momi marang kaladu no yala ka jingim u amel ka mosram ulapan tip bakani ke jingja kam de isu kasin ka baningkong henry babun kum kini jingja kila deb banja ya keba kadon ka jingklat ikulung kumju kinong kami na kaliang ba Himalaya Ula dawanak sorkar bakari ban wengno ya kate keseng pat ban IT no shakiwei lani ban chimti hi no dalade batru ban kendit berliu no shisundon kenang bakum kitik jingja kin jasyo
Kata kepenpau ke jinglong careless nakaliang u doktor nakaliang ke hospital bakim shimla ban assess ya ka situation kim shimla ban assess ya kata ka emergency jom ban ngebriu te hadu ban dapoi banduk ke mesin ndrei ukhlung le ukhia hadu 100 kilo tam ndrei ka kemi kim shimla makin pen ngasu thu ba kaladon shisha kajing le torti nakalian hospital nakalian u doktor bat ngasu thu ba lada u doktor ula shim ya karai hakapor menit ban ong ban pha ya ka sha shilong shaki hospital ki babiang ki dawai da shin ki babiang ki jing ki tiar sumat te se ngimrat du ya kan ik musim joka te ka jing amno pangnot jong ka kami jong ni ka brio ka bayang jong ki bahyeng hasen jong ulok jong ki khon kalong haduk ka tata ka ba nimla kan muddo ba ka brio ka ba klan tang ar phu prasnem ka ba klan ka met phat ndre kan sud kut na kum sim jong ka tan balik ka khon te kalong ke ka ba le se inumla ban pediang nakaliang jonga kum unong mi khmat kum emele nganra ya kani sya ke sarkar bat hak sineng kom ngelakot yu DHS ngelakot ya principal secretary jong ka health department ba ngan bisyar ya kani ka kam lengba ka women empowerment committee ka women empowerment committee ngin ya syong hak sineng kom hak por khat arbaji bat hakata ngan dei bangan bisyar ya kani ka kam bat ngan pak tokit ha ke department juga health bakade ban tokit ke ka daw bakane kajia hang ni po dangar ba amde ka sin ka banong ha kani ka hospital dangar nado ba ka simti kani ka biham kadi ka NGO ba ka peniat ya kani ladon bon kum kini kikis ba ki yap ki kelung ki yap ki kemi ibawan ban ka khon hang ni ngadawana ka sarkar ba ka di ban weng ya kani ka NGO nang ni bat badai ban wara da ko NGO lane ka sarkar ka deban simtino ya kan ka PHC bukan penyai na ka health department daladi kata kalong ka jing dawan nak teng jonga dawan nungkom ka deban don ka inquiry akan ka dur bakane ka beriu ka yap ka dawa ka baar ba ka sarkar ka deban weng ya kan ka NGO na kan ka hospital na dangar bat badi banora no da ka government hi bakan penyai ya kan ka hospital ada kamla ban penya ka government daladi ya kani hospital ka diban wara da ka we ka NGO ba kamla ban ai ka jing sakri ya ki pai ba ka ni ka thanjungi ha border
teng ya komunikasi umni tang ki jar